So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to stake cryptocurrency here on crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, if you're here on the home screen right here, I want you to go down to the bottom to where there's a bunch of different options. You have home, you have accounts, you have trade, etc. I want you to go ahead, and as I pressed on before, I want you to stay on accounts. Now, once you're here, I want you just to scroll down all the way to where it says staking right here, and then press on that. So once you're on the staking page right now, you can see discover as well as your portfolio. So currently speaking, I have nothing staked, but if you want to start, press on where it says stake now, below no stake balanced. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you're looking to stake. So for example, if you wanted to stake Ethereum, for example, you can simply go ahead and press on Ethereum. Now, once you're here, you can actually set it up so you can type in the amount that you're looking for. So, for example, if you wanted 1 Ethereum, you can also go with 0.01. Whatever the case may be, doesn't really matter. You can kind of scroll down this way as well. And if all looks good, you can go ahead also to make sure you guys read and acknowledge the risk statement right here. So you guys can kind of educate yourself. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and check that off. But you can also see the timeline, so you can stake now, the activation time, the first reward, and etc. that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to stake cryptocurrency on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.